The Kuki-Zo community commemorated the 107th anniversary of the Anglo-Kuki War across Southern Hills, Kangpokpi district, Manipur on October 17. Several programs under the aegis of the Committee on Tribal Unity was organized with a commemoration program that took place in Talolong village, honoring the statue of Khotinthang, a leader of the Kuki resistance. Known as Kilkong, he is regarded to have played a critical role during the war from 1917 to 1919, hosting the Sajam La Feast in March 1917 at Jampi village. At this gathering, Kuki chiefs united in their resolve to resist British colonial rule and fight for India's independence. Kilkong's leadership was marked by significant military engagement, which resulted in substantial losses for British forces. Kilkong and other Kuki chiefs were arrested and imprisoned in Sadia, Assam, and later in the infamous cellular jail in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The memorial ceremony at Talolong included a candlelight vigil and a gun salute, honoring the Kuki warriors' sacrifices. Angie Lun Kipgen, spokesperson for the Committee on Tribal Unity, delivered a speech during the commemoration. He highlighted the Kuki-Zo community's contributions to India's independence movement, describing the Anglo-Kuki War as a defining moment in the country's fight against colonialism. Kipgen lamented the lack of recognition for its pivotal chapter in history, branding it one of India's forgotten wars of independence. He called for the government to acknowledge the significance of the Kuki warrior sacrifices, arguing that their commitment to defend their homeland played a crucial role in shaping the nation. Kipgen emphasized the community's unwavering spirit, urging for formal recognition of the Anglo-Kuki War within the broader narrative of India's freedom struggle. In addition to the events in Southern Hills, Kuki-Zo people across Technopole district held their own commemorative observance in Moray, organized by the Hill Tribal Council. This gathering included traditional rituals honoring fallen heroes, a gala-dinner ceremony at the statue of Chengjapao Asian Pa, and speeches from leaders, historians, and community members that reiterated the ongoing significance of the Anglo-Kuki War in the Kuki-Zo struggle for self-determination and justice. The Hill Tribal Council encouraged the Kuki-Zo community to remain united and resilient, framing the anniversary not only as a remembrance of the past, but also as part of an ongoing journey towards equality and dignity. A similar commemorative event was also held in Churachandpur district, further emphasizing the collective memory and shared identity of the Kuki-Zo people in their quest for recognition and justice.